hello. Welcome back to my channel, Quirky Mom Quirky Kid. I am Shambhavi, a certified parent coach who is helping the new age parents make their parenting journey easier. Today we are going to talk about sense of time and kids. Yes. Before I start, I want to ask you a question. Do you feel that you give your kids enough warning? 5 मिनट में जाएंगे हम, 10 मिनट में टीवी बंद कर देंगे, 15 मिनट्स में हम बेड के लिए जाएंगे. Still you are struggling. Your kid is not listening. There are a lot of tantrums even if you give them a warning in advance. If you said yes, keep watching. Today I am going to share 3 tips with you which is going to help you set the time limit with your kids and make them understand the sense of time. Yes. So the first tip is give them the reference of events. Do you know why it happens कि आप उसको warning देते हैं उसके बाद भी kids नहीं समझते हैं? Because they do not understand what 5 minutes or 10 minutes is, right? So make it easier उनको help करने के लिए आप उनको इस तरह का reference दें ताकि वो उनको समझ में आए. For example अगर आप कार में हो या से इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग 5 मिनट में हम घर जाएंगे, उनको बोलो कि हम 2 बार स्लाइड करेंगे उसके बाद जाएंगे, या 2 झूले और झूलेंगे एंड देन वील गो होम, राइट? सो दिस गिव्स देम अ रिलेटेबिलिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ इवेंट्स कि क्या होने के बाद मेरा टाइम लिमिट खत्म हो जाएगा. दैट हेल्प्स देम अंडरस्टैंड द टाइम लिमिट एंड इन टर्न द सेंस ऑफ टाइम, राइट? सिमिलरली अगर आप स्क्रीन टाइम दे रहे हो तो आप उनको बोल सकते हो कि ये वाला कार्टून फिनिश होगा उसके बाद हम बंद करेंगे टीवी, या फिर आफ्टर 2 cartoons or after 2 episodes we are going to close the screen. So it will tell them कि अच्छा ठीक है ये finish हो, because when the cartoon finishes, right, then they understand ये ख़त्म हो गया है और नया start होने वाला है. तो उनको समझ में आएगा कि ये finish होने के बाद I cannot watch it. This gives them a sense of relatability in terms of event. That was tip number 1. Tip number 2 is wall clock. Right. I know it is very rare these days, but if you have a wall clock that your kid can see easily and it is big enough to visualize it, see it properly, then you can use wall clock. For example, we have a big wall clock. Even if you have a smaller one where the numbers are clearly visible, then you can give them the relationship or sense in terms of wall clock. कि small वाला hand जब 5 पे आएगा then we are going to get ready for dinner. और जब in fact in terms of screen you can tell them कि जब ये वाला सुई 1 से 7 पे आएगा then उतना ही आप टीवी देख सकते हो, या उतना ही you can watch the cartoon or the screen or the tab in any form, right? So this tells them कि अच्छा वो देख सकते हैं कि वो चीज़ वहाँ से वहाँ तक आ रही है, they can see it, it is tangible for them, right? So then they understand, okay, this is where my time is going to finish. That is how they set the time limit. Point number 3 or the tip number 3 is using alarm clock. Yes, you can use this beforehand also or during also. So for example, you set the alarm for 30 minutes and tell them कि ये जब alarm बजेगा तब आपका screen time finish हो जाएगा, then I'm going to switch off the TV, right? Or you can set the alarm accordingly 15 minutes, 20 minutes कि जब ये alarm बजेगा then it is time to go to bed. You can use it in the morning also कि ये alarm बजेगा तब हम उठेंगे, or set alarms in 15-20 minutes. In your phone also you can do that कि ये 15-20 minutes में that is how the activity will end. We use it in terms of morning things कि 15 minutes हो गया, this is your brushing time, now it is time to get ready, now it is time to get breakfast, do your breakfast, now it is time to leave for school. So he knows कि अच्छा हर एक alarm बज रहा है, so now it is the time for next event or next activity. So it helps them understand the time in a way that they relate to. Before you go, let me tell you one thing. Reality check. Yes, the reality check. You are not going to see these differences in a day. So these 3 tips, if you follow, or any of the tips, if you follow consistently and regularly, then only you are going to see the difference. Because for your child to understand this particular method, it will take some time, right? अगर आप उसको बोल रहे हो आज की चलो यहाँ से यहाँ पे सुई आ गई and then now I'm going to switch off, एक दिन रोना होगा, दूसरे दिन टैंट्रम होगा, तीसरे दिन थोड़ा हिचकिचाहट होगी, बट आई श्योर यू फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ डे they will get used to it, they'll understand the time limit. I am using all three tips personally, and I can assure you you'll seriously see the difference. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.